Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to restore Snapchat streak. Sometimes the reason for Snap streak ending is out of one's control. If you believe you have followed the Snap streak rules and that your streak has expired in error, do the following this video from your Snap account to start the recovery process. Open Snapchat. Then tap the Bitmoji or your profile. Then tap Settings. Towards the bottom, go to the Support section. Tap I Need Help. Then Snap Streaks. From the What if my Snap streak has gone option, choose Let Us Know. Select My Snap streak disappeared and fill in the form. Include as much information as possible. Hit send to submit your form. If the hourglass emoji was displayed before your streak ended, it's likely Snapchat won't be able to help. However, you can strengthen your case to recover it in the What Information Should We Know section of the form. Or from Snapchat Support's page, go to Snapchat Support, then select Contact Us. Beneath the How Can We Help section, choose My Snap Streaks Have Disappeared or I Lost My Snap Streaks. Fill in the form, including as many details as possible. Then, tap Send to submit. If you saw the hourglass emoji before your streak ended, Snapchat might not be able to help. You can support your case for recovery in the What Information Should We Know section of the form. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.